Indian media is heavily funded and owned by anti-Hindu elements. Indian media is built and owned with only purpose of eliminating Hinduism from India. Once for all, finishing it off. Understand, Indian media does not spread news or facts of what happened. It spreads its narrative. Indian media has a clear narrative. Their narrative they spread using opinionated, distorted, not only opinionated, distorted facts, blatant lies. Please understand, Hindus all over the world need to understand this. And Hindus all over the world should stop trusting Indian media cult, Indian mass media cult. You should stop trusting Indian mass media cult as the source of information. That is all I am requesting. Please understand. I want you to know, because I have experienced it firsthand. When they try to attack me, do the character assassination and do the hate speech, they spoke about all the major important Hindu principles and destroyed all the Hindu principles using my name. They started showing us I am an illegitimate, characterless person. Then the worship of Shivalinga comes. There is a huge article on palace symbol worship or palace worship on Shivalinga, and our Bhava Samadhi Darshan is called cross-dressing. Not just one line, two line, full page articles, narratives, where our Vaidyasarovar Anandalingam is described as palace symbol, palace worship and male organ worship, and Devi Bhava Samadhi Darshan. Understand, Bhava Samadhi Darshan is Hindu tradition, and unfortunately even the neo-Hindus, this last two generation Hindus, forgot Bhava Samadhi Darshan is part of Hinduism. I can give you thousands of references, including Sri Ramakrishna wearing sari and living in the Bhava. Tapovanam, near Tiruvannamala, there is a place called Tapovanam. Jnananandagiri Swami, he used to wear sari and be in Devi Bhava during Navaratri. And till today, the Shivacharya who does, the priest who does puja in Tiruvanikaval temple, the noon puja, he has to wear sari and dress up himself as Devi. In Devi Bhava Samadhi, he has to do puja to Paramashiva. All the best things Hinduism has. I have some more evidences collected for whatever statements I made. Deccan Herald wrote in 2010, Deccan Herald is the worst anti-Hindu element, worst anti-Hindu prostitute. They write that Nityananda was a transvestite, cross-dresser. Devi Bhava Darshan is portrayed as the cross-dressing. The level of abuse, and the same Deccan Herald writes, these criminals. But in India, you cannot file for defamation and get justice and all. Impossible. They write palace worship. The Shivalinga, Shiva Puja is presented as palace worship. God. And this mass media cult in India is trying to say Hinduism is a cult. That's the worst thing. The Deccan Herald mass media cult, the prostitute, worst corrupt prostitute. He says, they write, I'll project that article. Young men and women found in him and his cult, which is strange and often frightening mix of Vedic and Tantric with an attractive and appealing focus on palace worship. Oh God! The Shivalinga we installed and worship in Vaidyasarovar is called palace worship. They don't even understand. Shivalinga is the palace worship, they call it. The Shivalinga is actually the Jyoti Stamba, Paramashiva manifested as a light shaft. That is what we are worshipping. But they mistranslate. See, the Linga is translated as phallus by Max Mullerian's abusers. So these guys follow the same Max Mullerian definition and call it as phallus worship. Worst criminals. This mass media cult in India, see, first they started making me illegitimate. Next is they are making whole Hinduism illegitimate. Hindus, wake up. It is not attack on me, it is attack on Hinduism.